The Vivo Y400 is all set to go official tomorrow in India. It will come in two colors, glam white and olive green. The Vivo Y400 5G will feature a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that offers a full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and 1800 nits of brightness. It features an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Y400 5G will feature the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, with 8GB of RAM and 128GB/256GB of internal storage. The Vivo Y400 5G will feature a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Its back panel will be equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel auxiliary lens. A massive 6000 mAh battery with 90W charging support. These are said to have 26,999 rupees and 28,999 rupees MRP prices. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.